Hello students. So we are doing our second experiment, that is using the nuclear counter to check what would be the attenuation in the radiations measured if we are introducing aluminum sheets like this between the source and the detector. We will be placing sheets like these between the source and the detector. We have starting from 0.2 mm up to 6.5 mm. Okay, so let us start. We have set the voltage at 900. We will just check once that if it is 900 volts or not. So yes, it is 900 volts. And now we will start taking the reading. Presently I have not placed any sheet between the source and the detector. So we have started taking the count. So let us see what is the reading at 30 seconds. So at 30 seconds it is 814. Okay. Now we will get back and we will start with placing sheets. So the first sheet we are placing is 0.2 mm. We'll again check the readings at 30 seconds. So at 30 seconds now it is 793. I'm going to place a .6 mm sheet now and we'll start the counter. We will be able to see the attenuation as we start increasing the thickness of our aluminium sheets. You can observe a drop in the count. Now it is 738. Now I am going to place a 1 mm sheet. We will be plotting a graph of the thickness of aluminium sheet versus the count that we are obtaining. As the thickness goes on increasing, we will observe a better attenuation. So now it is 722 compared to the previous 738. I am now going to place a 3 mm thickness sheet. Now it is 652, come down from 722. I'm changing it to 4.5 mm now. You can see the drop easily. So at 30 seconds we are having 649. For 5.5, it's 596 for 5.5 mm. And lastly, for 6.5 mm. Sorry. $652. So this way we have seen the attenuation in the radiation because of placing different thickness aluminium sheets between the source and the detector.